Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today by coming into a reclined position. Step your feet into a wide stance. Gently glide your knees from right to left, drawing opposite knee towards opposite ankle. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, allowing this internal and external rotation to create more mobility in your hips, releasing tension through your low back. Release and set both feet back to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, keeping your spine long and your shoulders relaxed, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back. Continue here or extend your left leg to the earth, rooting down through your left heel. Continue here, stretching through your low back, or adding a hamstring stretch, extend your right leg to the sky, clasping your hands behind your right leg, working to extend your right leg towards straight. Continue breathing deeply, keeping both legs strong and active, feeling your spine long, contracting through your quadriceps, flexing through your heels. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, draw your left knee in towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, extend your right leg to the earth, rooting down through your right heel. Maintain this position or adding a hamstring stretch, clasping your hands behind your left thigh, working to extend your left leg towards straight. Keep both legs strong and active, contracting through your quadriceps, flexing through your heels. Release and set both feet to the earth. Draw your knees in towards your chest. With your hands to your legs, begin to make small circles, massaging through your low back, releasing any tension. Continue moving slowly and gently as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing at center, moving into a happy baby pose variation with your hands to your shins. Bring your knees a little wider, drawing your thighs towards the outsides of your rib cage. Begin to gently rock from side to side, releasing tension through your hips and low back. Continue here, or optional to use your hands to clasp the outsides of your shins, ankles, or outer feet, with the soles of your feet facing the sky. With your knees bent, draw your thighs towards the outsides of your rib cage, drawing your knees in towards your armpits, while simultaneously pressing your feet into your hands. When you're ready, begin to gently rock from side to side, keeping your spine long and your shoulders relaxed, feeling a stretch through your hips, thighs, hamstrings, and low back. Release and set both feet to the earth. Exploring a reclined twist variation, pick up your hips and move them slightly right of center. Extend your left leg to the earth. Place your right foot to the top of your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Using your left hand to draw your right knee across your body. Keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look out over your right shoulder. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, stretching and releasing tension in your glutes, low back, abs, chest, shoulders, and neck. Stay connected to your breath as you unwind and return to center, repeating on the opposite side. Pick up your hips and move them slightly left of center. Extend your right leg to the earth. Place your left foot to your right thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist, using your right hand to draw your left knee across your body, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look out over your left shoulder. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine through the crown of your head, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Continue cultivating awareness as you slowly unwind and return to center. Moving into a reclined cobbler's pose, place the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to relax open, placing your hands over your belly. Breathe as you feel your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards your heels, relaxing and releasing tension through your thighs, hips, and low back. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, set both feet to the earth, returning to center. Feeling unrushed, roll off to your side, coming to take a seat. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos and all our Happy Yoga Live videos ad-free, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.